that summarize why you might want to attend this one thing workshop. I think that's a good way to look at it is people feel like this is the biggest decision they can possibly make, and then they don't want to narrow the focus down to one thing. But at the end of the day, we've given permission to change your one thing. And we understand that if you haven't been able to name your one thing, it's because you haven't gone those layers deeper to really understand truly what at the end of the year success kind of looks like. But at the same time, accept the fact that life is not permanent. You can always go back to the way things were. But if you're looking to be on this call, it's probably because you're not happy with the status quo in your life. You're probably not happy with the way things are going, and you're looking for something different. And this is the opportunity to do that.
Let me ask one question. As you look back over the last few years, are you looking back with absolute joy that you absolutely smashed it in whatever that means for you? Because I don't want you to hear that and think I've got to hustle the hell out of everything. But to what level of degree are you actually happy with the direction you're going, who you are, and what you're doing? If the answer to that is 8 and above, fantastic. I'm almost going to say you don't even need to do the call because time is the most important thing you can invest. Go and invest it somewhere else. But if you're looking and you're thinking, I can do more, I'm not happy, there's a whole thing out there, or I've lost my spark, or whatever. Basically, you're 7 or less in terms of scoring your overall fulfillment in life, then come and find something different. Come and do something different because your life is directly related to the things that you're doing, to your environment. So you only have to change your status quo a little bit to yield a different result. And however you want to do that, go and do that. What we offer with One Thing One Year is the chance to do that on a call with people that have already done it and other people that are doing it. And you may just find through your One Thing One Year, you find something that yields you more fulfillment, more satisfaction. And our hope is that you get back that spark, that joie de vivre, which we all want. But at some stage in growing up, which I hate the term, in adultifying, we simultaneously calcified. And that is our greatest hope, is that you decalcify, find the spark, and actually live a life that you want to live.